Last night under my pillow, I had my prophecy stones. When I work with these, there's one in my right hand and one in my left hand to balance, align, and just to help move energy. The myth about prophecy stones is that you're then tied into, or it's a fate or destined. No, you do have a path, you do have a purpose. How you choose to work it, walk it, and move through it is your choice. So the prophecy stones, the way my guides help me work with mine and what I teach my clients and friends, is that it is probable, okay, potential, more likely to happen if you follow your own guidance, the guidance from your angels, spirit, ascended masters, whomever it is you work with. So I put these under my pillow last night because, oh my gosh, yesterday after I connected with y'all, there was a major shift. We talked about me reaching for the skies and helping you reach for the skies. And I forget what the other one is. Oh yeah, Black Moonstone for cycles, right? So we're in a new cycle, and I was stepping into one. Little did I know it was really going to shift things. That's okay. And when I went to lay my head on my pillow last night, I reached into my essential oils and intuitively pulled out Merlin's Magic. Merlin is all about alchemy, from lead to gold. And in this instance, the lead is tired energy. Physically and mentally, mostly mentally tired because of the work I did yesterday. It's incredible, and I'll share that with y'all, soon. It is a shift within a shift that I did not see coming, and it's probably just as well, because I might have said, yeah, that's too much. I've already got my plans made. I've already got set up, yeah. Well, it's always best, in my humble opinion, to listen to your guides. So, the other oil I reached for is Archangel Jophiel. Yes, I layer my essential oils. They are my own channeled blends. You can find them in my shop. And she's all about unconditional love. So opening my heart to myself and to what's now in front of me. This morning, I really just wanted to lay in bed and just stay there and sleep. I absolutely know myself well enough that if I did that, I would just not do anything today. And it's not about forcing me forward. It's really more about, I really am excited, and it's a little scary to be doing what I'm going to be doing today. And if I don't, then not only does it set me behind, but it causes a new word, stress and anxiety shoved together. So this morning, I'm working with and taking on my walk. Yes, my prophecy stones are in my pocket. Yes, I have reapplied my essential oils, Merlin's Magic and Archangel Jophiel. Keep on with the raising the level of my energy so that I can do the work I want to do today with love from my heart to whomever these things speak to. This is opening up my root chakra so that I have more energy, the right amount, not, over the top, oh my gosh, just enough, and ground at the same time, which also helps me tap into my passion or the passion of this project, both, I guess. The root chakra, as you may well be aware, is all about passion, protection, prosperity, and just raising the level or the amount of energy that you can have and use and tap into during the day. Come visit the shop. You never know what you're going to find. There's lots of amazing things happening in there. Link is in the description. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul.